Welcome to JS Tech. Need custom metal or plastic parts? Our custom CNC machining service turns your 2D drawings, 3D models, or physical samples into precision components fast and accurately. No matter your industry, aerospace, robotics, medical devices, or automation, we handle aluminum, stainless steel, brass, titanium, and engineering plastics with tolerances as tight as 0.01 mm. From a single prototype to mass production, our 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis CNC machines tackle complex geometries, undercuts, and intricate features, all with zero compromise on quality. Every part is inspected with optical measurement and material testing to meet ISO 9001 standards. Whether it's a custom housing, bracket, or connector, if you can design it, we can machine it. We specialize in low volume, high mix production, perfect for startups, R&D teams, and OEMs. Got a sketch, CAD file, or sample part? Send it to us, we'll quote fast and deliver faster. Hit subscribe for more real-world CNC projects. Let's build your idea one precision cut at a time.